Welcome to our RAM Showdown. Today we're comparing two popular memory modules, the Corsair Vengeance LPX DDR4 RAM and the Crucial DDR5 RAM. We'll explore their specifications, performance, and which one might be the best fit for your needs. Let's dive in. The Corsair Vengeance LPX offers a substantial 32 GB capacity with its dual-channel configuration, making it ideal for heavy multitasking and demanding applications. In contrast, the Crucial DDR5 module provides only 16 GB in a single-channel setup, which may limit performance in modern systems that benefit from dual-channel memory. For users who require maximum capacity, the Corsair is the clear winner. When it comes to speed, the Crucial DDR5 RAM boasts a higher frequency of 4,800 MHz compared to Corsair's 3,600 MHz. This higher speed can translate to better performance in memory-intensive tasks, especially in systems designed to take advantage of DDR5 technology. However, it's essential to consider that the latency of the Crucial module is higher, which may offset some of the benefits of its increased frequency. The operating voltage is another critical factor. The Corsair Vengeance LPX requires 1.35 volts, while the Crucial DDR5 operates at a lower 1.1 volts. This lower voltage in the Crucial module not only contributes to power efficiency, but also allows for cooler operation, which can be beneficial in compact builds or systems with limited cooling options. In conclusion, the choice between the Corsair Vengeance LPX and the Crucial DDR5 RAM ultimately depends on your specific needs and system compatibility. If you're looking for high capacity and reliable performance in a DDR4 setup, the Corsair is an excellent choice. However, for those building on the latest platforms, the Crucial DDR5 offers cutting-edge technology and efficiency. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews.